Welcome back to the boat tour. So today we are here in Marsa Marina in Dubai on this Sanlorenzo SX88. This particular boat is for sale with Bush & Noble, so you can see the full specification on their website and ask them any questions. The website www.bushandnoble.com. So coming on board, we've got this amazing crossover yacht. Everybody knows these SXs with the beach clubs here, area for the jet ski, you've got area for the tender. I've got a very clever design for the crane that looks like part of the superstructure that will bring those two on, and then when they aren't on, you can have the sun lounges on board, you can have some areas for the seating or anything you want. That is a huge space, and we'll try and find some videos to show you what that looks like when those tenders and jet skis aren't there. Walking up, we've got two stairs both sides into, again, this massive area with a full teak deck, beautiful oval table, giving you lots of space to socialise with the family or your friends. And then these boarding gates here, port and starboard. You've got the walkways through port and starboard as well to get you to the bow, and you've got this massive sliding door here that will take you straight into the saloon, and this very secret door here that will take you down into the crew. So let's get inside, let's have a look, and we'll show you around. So let's come through into the accommodation. So this is really where the boat separates itself from anything else in this size range. So the SX88, you have this massive windows, floor to ceiling, both sides, really airy feel. We've got an open and contemporary space here. You can see the size of the full beam saloon. Downstairs we've got the accommodation, which we'll see there. We've got a day head here on the port hand side, and we've got this amazing bar area, book storage here. So let's go further forward, we'll show you the galley, and then we'll do the accommodation, and we'll go up to the flybridge. So finishing in the saloon, like I said earlier, we've got this amazing space. You can put another table or more chairs here, a beautiful bookcase and storage case. We've even got the cork from when the boat was new. A small bar here, so we've got the blinds, you can keep those open or closed if you want it separate from the galley. And walking forward with me here, we've got this huge galley. So that's completely separate. You can slide this door all the way across, but you have this amazing space for cooking. You've got the double sinks, you've got all the hobs, all the ovens that you need, and the massive window, again, which you can put the blinds down to completely separate. So this is a massive galley. You can have a full-time chef in here if you want, or even if you're the owner who likes to cook, you can also do that in here. Right, now let's go up into the flybridge. We'll have a look around that area, and then we'll go down into the accommodation, and you can have a look at the bedrooms. So let's come up into the flybridge. We've got these amazing floating stairs, which you can see from the glass in the interior. Really nice layout here. We've got the external helm up here with the seats. We've got all the Raymarines, which we'll show you here. We've got a sink, chopping board area. We've got the fridge for the drinks. These foldable table as well, so if you just want a full table you can fold it out, or if you just want it half just as a nice little coffee table. Above you we've got the electric sliding roof, so that really makes it nice if the weather's perfect, or if it's a hot day like today, we can keep it closed and keep the area cool. Again, to keep it cool, we've got these curtains, so you can shut this, keep the door open and have the aircon on fully. And then we've got this outdoor furniture removable, so we can have it as it is at the moment. We can put sunbeds on it, we can take it away if we've got a lot of people, and then we've got these two stainless steel poles each side for the sunshade as well. So this area is really nice, and this boat is probably one of the best boats that you'll see for style wise. So now we've had a look at the flybridge, we've done the saloon, and we've done the galley. We'll go down into the accommodation, we can have a look around there, then we'll finish on the beach platform and on the bow. We'll have a quick look here at the Helm Station. It's a very classic looking helm, but we've got a brand new Raymarines. We've even got the iPad for all of the systems. We've got a joystick control, making it nice and easy to maneuver the boat, with a side power bow thruster, and then the twin engines here. Everything is Raymarine, and also we have the electric data for the Volvo Pentas. Coming down again, we've got these amazing stairs all the way through the boat. We've got the owner's cabin here aft, so we'll start there. So we've got a full beam owner's cabin, And again, you can see the interior styling and the materials used here on this boat. Probably one of the nicest that you'll see. We've got central island berth with these big hangers, lockers here. We've got a desk or a dressing table and these massive portholes that do open. So if you do want a bit of air when you're at anchor or you're in the marina, you can get those open. This side will spin you around. You can see the ensuite. So we've got a bit of privacy for the curtains as well. We've got a full walk-in shower this side and the heads this side, all this amazing marble and his and her sinks. So as you can tell, for an 88-foot boat, this owner's ensuite and bedroom is pretty impressive. Let's have a look now at the other 3 cabins. We've got 2 twins, and then we've also got the VIP cabin. Coming forward into the midships here, we've got 2 guest cabins. Here on the starboard side, we've got the twin bedroom with also a Pullman, so we can sleep 3 in there, ensuite, and here we've got a double bed, again with an ensuite. So we'll show you those. If we come further forward, we'll come into this very unusual VIP cabin. Normally here in the bow, we'd always have the bed in the center. So they've got a very clever design here where they've spun it around, making sure that you've got a full island double berth, so you don't have the thin area on your feet. And we've got a massive ensuite which we'll show you around with a walk-in shower, marble top sink as well. You've even got a nice seat here. Lots of storage around, lots of lighting, and everything that you need for a comfortable VIP stay. So that's the end of this tour of this Sanlorenzo SX88. As I said at the start, this particular boat is now for sale and for charter with bushandnoble.com, so you can see all the specifications online there. Any questions you have, you can contact us or you can leave in the comments below. Thank you very much. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.